Before your baby learns anything, something irreversible is already being built. Your baby's nervous system. Before they recognize your voice. Before their first memory is even possible. Before learning begins. During pregnancy, you're not teaching the brain. You're building it. Before we go further, take 2 seconds to tap follow if prenatal brain development matters to you. During pregnancy, the brain isn't learning skills or storing knowledge. It's being constructed. Neurons are forming. Connections are wiring. Critical systems are locking into place. And every one of those systems requires specific biological materials. What you eat becomes part of the nervous system your child will use for life. These foods don't create intelligence. They build the architecture intelligence later depends on. Eggs. Eggs provide choline, a nutrient essential for building brain cell membranes and memory circuits in the hippocampus. Without enough choline, memory systems are weaker before learning even begins. Fatty fish. The developing brain is nearly 60% fat. DHA supports myelination, the insulation that allows signals to move quickly and efficiently. This affects processing speed and focus later in life. Almonds. Vitamin E helps protect developing neurons from oxidative stress. Iron supports oxygen delivery to brain tissue during rapid growth. Milk. Calcium helps regulate how neurons fire and communicate as neural networks take shape. Balanced signaling supports coordination and regulation. Leafy green vegetables. Folate supports neural tube formation during the earliest stages of brain development. This process is highly time-sensitive. Blueberries. Antioxidants help protect fragile developing brain cells from inflammation and cellular stress. If this perspective is helpful, take a second to save this and come back to it later. Oranges. Vitamin C supports the formation of blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to the growing brain. Cheese. Zinc contributes to structural brain development, vision, and immune brain interactions. Choose pasteurized options during pregnancy. Sweet potatoes. Vitamin B6 supports the production of neurotransmitters involved in attention, mood regulation, and sleep cycles. Pumpkin seeds. Zinc, iron, and healthy fats support cognitive and visual development during critical growth periods. Yogurt. A healthy maternal gut helps regulate inflammation and stress hormones, shaping the prenatal brain environment. Avocados. Healthy monounsaturated fats support brain cell membranes and provide stable energy during rapid neural growth. Whole grains. The developing brain relies on a steady glucose supply. Whole grains provide consistent energy for long-term brain regulation. No food creates intelligence. There is no perfect pregnancy diet. But missing key nutrients during critical windows can limit how well the nervous system is built, and some limits can't be reversed later. Pregnancy nutrition isn't about control or perfection. It's about giving biology what it needs to do its most complex work. If this way of thinking resonates with you, you're welcome to follow. Because parenting isn't about fixing children. It's about designing the environment their nervous system grows inside.